Are your pets truly prepared? Too often we forget our furry family members when disaster hits. Pets rely on us completely, especially in chaos. Their safety is our responsibility. Panic spreads quickly, and your pet will mirror your energy. Preparation is key. Today I'll show you practical steps to keep your pet safe, before, during, and after a crisis. From emergency kits to understanding stress, we'll cover what matters most. This knowledge could save your best friend's life. The emergency kit, your pet's lifeline. In an emergency, every second counts, and having a well-prepared kit can make all the difference for your furry, feathered, or scaled family members. Make sure you have a dedicated kit for each pet in your household, ready to grab at a moment's notice. This ensures no one is left behind or scrambling for supplies. Store your kits somewhere you can access quickly, by the door, or even in your car. Avoid tucking them away in hard-to-reach places, so you're never caught off guard. Essentials include 3 to 5 days worth of food and water, packed in airtight containers to keep them fresh and safe from contamination. Don't forget any medications your pet needs, a basic pet first aid kit, and a card with your veterinarian's contact information in case you need help on the go. Add comfort items like a favorite blanket, toy, or even a piece of your clothing. These familiar scents and objects can help ease your pet's anxiety during stressful times. Always include a sturdy leash, a secure harness, and up-to-date ID tags with your current contact details. These are crucial if you get separated. For small pets, a secure carrier is a must. It keeps them safe and contained, whether you're sheltering in place or evacuating. Practice calmly placing your pet in their carrier now, so it becomes a familiar and less frightening experience if you ever need to do it quickly. Every 6 months, check your kit. Rotate food and water, update medications, and replace anything that's expired or worn out. As your pet's needs change with age or health, update the kit to match. Staying current means you're always ready. Practicing emergency drills with your pets and checking your kit regularly is a simple habit that keeps you prepared for anything life throws your way. Your preparation is their protection. Taking these steps shows your love and commitment to their safety. Don't wait for disaster to strike before you act. Being proactive gives you peace of mind and keeps your pet safe. Be the protector your pet needs. Start building your pet's emergency kit today and ensure you're both ready for whatever comes your way. In a crisis, your pet can't speak for themselves, and they rely on you to keep them safe and identified. Emergencies can happen suddenly, and pets may become frightened or disoriented, making it easy for them to get lost. Up-to-date ID tags are their ticket home, providing rescuers with the information they need to contact you quickly if your pet is found. Make sure your pet's tag includes your current phone number and address, so anyone who finds them can reach you without delay. But collars can break or slip off, so microchips are essential for permanent identification that can't be lost. Keep your microchip info current, updated if you move or change numbers, and double-check your registration details every year. Store a recent photo of you with your pet, vaccination records, and medical info in a waterproof folder or USB drive in your kit. This helps prove ownership and ensures your pet gets the right care if you're separated. Emergency shelters may require proof of vaccinations before admitting your pet, so keep these documents handy and up to date. List allergies, medications, and your vet's contact info, so anyone caring for your pet knows exactly what they need and who to call in an emergency. Check tags and records twice a year and update them whenever your contact details or your pet's health needs change. These details are your pet's voice if you're separated, helping others reunite you as quickly as possible. Diligence now means a faster reunion later, reducing stress for both you and your pet during difficult times. Responsible pet ownership starts with preparation. Taking these steps today ensures your pet's safety and your peace of mind, no matter what tomorrow brings. Training isn't just about teaching your pet fun tricks, it's about their safety and your peace of mind. When you invest time in training, you're preparing your pet for the unexpected, giving them the tools to stay calm and listen even when things get chaotic. Basic commands like sit, stay, and come aren't just for show. They can truly save your pet's life in moments of chaos or danger. These simple words can make all the difference when you need your pet to listen most. A reliable come command can pull your dog away from a busy street, a wild animal, or any sudden threat. It's one of the most important skills you can teach. Practice these commands often, and reward your pet generously for getting it right. Positive reinforcement builds confidence and makes learning fun for both of you. Crate or carrier training is vital, especially for emergencies or travel. A pet that's comfortable in their crate will feel safer and be easier to manage if you ever need to leave home quickly. Make the crate a safe, positive space, never a punishment. Fill it with soft bedding, favorite toys, and treats so your pet associates it with comfort and security. In emergencies, a pet who's used to their crate is easier to move and much less stressed. Leash training matters too, so your pet can walk calmly by your side when it counts. A calm walker is safer, easier to control, and less likely to panic or pull away in stressful situations. Daily walks reinforce your leadership, build trust, and help your pet burn off nervous energy before it can turn into anxiety. Aim for a calm, balanced pet by providing exercise, discipline, and affection in equal measure. This routine helps your pet feel secure and loved. Remember, an anxious pet in normal times will be even more stressed in a crisis. Address anxiety early with training and routine. Invest in training now, whether at home or in a class, for peace of mind later. The effort you put in today pays off when it matters most. Your leadership is their safety net. When your pet trusts you, they'll look to you for guidance in any situation. Build trust and calmness before you need it, so when the unexpected happens, you and your pet are ready together. Your home is your pet's world. Make it safe. Secure heavy furniture and objects that could fall in a disaster. Move hazards away from your pet's favorite spots. Create a safe room, an interior space with no windows, where your pet can shelter. Get them used to this space now. Check window screens and doors for escape routes. Use gates to block exits during emergencies. Regularly inspect your yard and fence for gaps or damage, especially after storms. A secure environment prevents accidents and escapes. Pet-proofing is proactive protection. Control what you can inside even when the outside world is chaos. Responsible ownership means thinking ahead. Pets communicate stress through body language, panting, pacing, hiding, or changes in appetite. Know your pet's normal behavior so you can spot problems early. In a crisis, project calm confidence. Avoid frantic reassurance. Use a steady voice and gentle touch. Provide a safe, quiet space like a crate or familiar room. Watch for signs of illness, lethargy, vomiting, or changes in bathroom habits. Have a pet first aid kit and know when to call the vet. Observation builds a deep connection and trust. Your calm response helps your pet recover faster. Understanding their signals is key to their well-being. Hope isn't a plan. Create a clear evacuation plan that includes your pets. Research pet-friendly shelters and hotels now. Don't assume all will accept animals. Assign family roles. Who grabs the kit? Who handles the pets? Practice your plan twice a year. Drills make it routine, not scary. Load pets and kits into the car, reward them, and adjust your plan as needed. Arrange with a trusted neighbor to help if you're not home. Share your plan and give them a key. Preparation is an act of love. A practiced plan saves lives. Don't wait. Start today. Your energy sets the tone. Pets mirror your emotions. Panic breeds panic. Be the calm, confident leader they need. Preparation reduces your anxiety and helps you act with purpose. During emergencies, breathe deeply, move deliberately, and speak in a soothing tone. Gentle, steady touch reassures your pet more than frantic petting. Your calm is their anchor in the storm. Their safety depends on your emotional stability. Practice calm leadership every day. This is your greatest responsibility as a pet owner. Your calm truly is their survival. We've covered emergency kits, Idaho, training, home safety, stress signals, and evacuation plans. Your calm energy is your pet's best protection. Start building your kit, update records, and practice commands now. Preparation honors the bond you share. Don't wait for disaster. Act today. Your readiness is the greatest gift you can give your furry friend.